Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add money from PayPal to Revolut. The first thing I want you to do is just come at the bottom right, okay, for your PayPal, click on Wallet. Then from here you'll see your PayPal balance. If you have your Revolut cards, you can add them as well, and then it makes it easier to withdraw. So we'll come here, go ahead and click on your PayPal balance. From here, click on Transfer, and then you can click on Transfer to Bank, okay? And from here, if you have your Revolut accounts ready, then you click next, or you can click on the plus icon. Then you can either link your Revolut card or your bank account. So we'll choose the bank account option, and then you search for your bank name, search for Revolut, and if you don't find it, just click on enter your bank details, choose your country, okay, and then IBAN. What you do, you go to Revolut, launch it up, come at the top left, click on your profile icon to access your account settings, and then click here on account details and choose your currency, okay, whichever one you want, euros, dollars. Let's do, for example, euros. So here you come, get all the details, okay, the IBAN number, things like that, and then you go back to PayPal, you paste it in, and then you link your bank account, then go ahead and transfer to your bank account, which is linked to Revolut. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.